Well, so a really big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to me this galvanized iron watering can to try out. And because it's made of galvanized iron, it is rust resistant. So it's going to be one that you can keep in your garden for absolutely years. It has an incredible 2 gallon capacity, which is 6.5 litres. It comes in loads of different colours. I really like this pink though. And it has some really great features that I really like. One of them is the fact that it has 2 carry handles, so you can really make sure you've got control of your watering can when you are watering. And the top one is adjustable, so you can get the right angle and the right feel of it as well. It does come with a sprinkler rose, which is detachable. You just screw it on and screw it off. So you can either have a steady pour with the spout or a sprinkle with the rose. So it's going to be really great for indoors as well as outdoors. Things like your seedlings where you don't want to overwater them, and your spout's going to be great for your bigger plants like your roses and your bushes and trees. Aside from the amazing colours and the detachable rose, I really like the big capacity as well, because it also means that you're not going to be having to make multiple trips. You can just fill it up and water absolutely loads of your plants and seedlings. So not only is this really cute, it's really practical as well. And thanks again to the team for very kindly sending it out to me.